What's up, everybody? I thought I'd do an update on my chicken composting system. I had to upscale, and I gotta basically put a skin walls on the chicken coop back here, but it's doing very good. Okay, in order for a compost system to actually work, you basically gotta do, well, you gotta have at least 4 things. Okay, you gotta have your carbon nitrogen ratio right, you gotta have water, and you got to turn it. Well, with this, I mean, the water's being provided by the ducks. They're kind of watery, all right? So that's wet, okay? So what I do is, the ducks, they don't, like, they're not really digging through. I mean, they are now because I've loosened up some of the dirt, but what they do is they compact that down. So what I do is I dig it out, put it into here, and then I dump it into here now. And as you can see, the chickens are scratching through, eating the bugs and stuff like that out of it. I also do the same with the rabbits. Okay, everything from the rabbits goes into this pail mixed with some carbon material, and it goes into here. Same with the ducks, they get mixed with carbon material too, but then it goes into here. My carbon nitrogen ratio does not have to be exact for this to work, okay? I could be a little bit off. But as you can see, I'm getting my compost turned. I'm getting it watered by the ducks and from the rain, and turned by the chickens. I don't have to do anything with this. But that's an update on my chicken system. This is my soil manufacturing plant. The eggs are just a bonus, as Paul Gaucho would say. So that's it. I'll see you later.